Hey beautiful natural lovers, welcome back to my channel. I'm your girl Shauna. Alright, so before I jump into the video, remember to like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Whether that dance to one music, whether that playing on the background. So today I'm gonna be using a comb. I'm gonna be using this edge brush and comb, two large rubber bands, gold bobby pins, gold bead hair wax, because I have a gel, a brush, and the last but not least, some Ghana braid which I cut in half. So people, my hair is actually sectioned off in the way I want it to. So yeah, that front piece right there, I am going to be braiding it, the two front section, and then those back section is actually part into two, so I'm just gonna get those out of the way. I'm just getting out those edges that I did. Basically, I'm just braiding my hair first. Then when I reach right there, when I'm showing you, I'm going to be adding the Ghana braid to my hair. I'm going to be fading it in to my hair because I want my hair to, be a little bit more lengthy. I'm gonna be doing the same thing that I did on the other side onto this side here. So I'm just ensuring that they are on the same level, okay? Alright, so now I'm gonna be adding the gold beads to my hair. Alright, so the front section is done, so I'm gonna go into the back section right now. So I'm gonna be adding some Eco Styler gel to my hair. I'm gonna be adding my rubber band to my hair, using the rubber band to catch my hair up. Alright, so with the end of my hair, I'm going to be adding that small rubber band to the hair end. Then I'm going to be tucking it underneath, or tucking it into the hair. Alright, so now I'm gonna be doing my edges. I'm gonna go in with this hair wax, my baby hair. Natural lovers, I think the most important part of a hairstyle to me is the edges. Your edges got to be on fleek, trust me. Alright, so now I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Yeah, gonna do my makeup, and I'll see you guys in a couple minutes. And there you have it. Beautiful, beautiful. I love this. This is so simple. Yeah, so I use the gold hairpins to do that little star thing there. I didn't get to show you guys how I did it on camera, but forgive me. Yeah, but this hairstyle is beautiful. So comment down below, guys, and tell me what you think. about this hairstyle. It's simple, neat. Girl look good, girl is beautiful. So I'm giving you all a close-up look on my edges. As I said before, your edges gotta be on fleek. Alright, natural lovers, so there you have it. That's the end of the video. Hope you all like the video. Remember to continue to do the good things then by sharing the video, liking the video by clicking the thumbs up, okay, and don't be afraid to go up the comment section, hit that subscribe button if you haven't subscribed, and remember to turn on your post notification bell so you won't miss a video. Until next time guys, be safe out there. Bye guys.